Every December, the mortgage world sends signals and they directly impact home prices. Most buyers don't track this, but you should. End of year rate commentary from banks and the Bank of Canada often hints at what's coming in Q1 and Q2. When rates are expected to soften, sellers who understand this try to beat the rush and list now. That urgency means negotiability. Because if sellers think competition will be stronger in spring, they adjust their expectations today, and that means buyers win. This is how you get ahead of a market shift instead of chasing it. Call me Yuri Ching at 416-333-3117 today and let me help you sell fast for top dollar and buy with confidence.